Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through how to do Weebly. Here's what I recommend. Maybe watch this through once through and then watch it again and pause, or just pause this as I go through each step and then have a web browser open so that you can do this with me. Because basically this is going to be modeling for you, and I'm going to go very quickly so I can cram this into a 10-minute clip, but I want you to be able to do this. Miles, shh. Um, did I mention that my son is home with me today? Yeah, so there may be a little bit of an interruption here, but hopefully we'll be able to go quickly. This is what a Weebly page looks like. And for the purposes of today, I'm going to pretend that I'm doing a series of lessons all about the life of the artist Georgia O'Keeffe. I'm not going to spend a lot of time thinking about Georgia O'Keeffe or talking about her in this because I just want to use it for the purposes of modeling this. I'm going to go to Weebly.com, Weebly.com. And you can sign up for a free account. All right, here I go. I'm going to enter in. I've already, over here where it says create a free website, fast, free, easy now, that's where you enter in your information. I already have a login, so I'm going to go up here to the corner and I'm going to log in with my account. Now, I'm actually going to erase the one that I did earlier and just show you from scratch how to do this. So, I'm going to create a site. This yellow button, create a site. Click there. Title your new site. Georgia O'Keeffe. Continue. All right, I'm going to set up basically 4 pages. I'm going to say, all right, this is going to be Desiree Pointer Mace ed352.weebly.com. You can put in there whatever you want, but that's just going to be the easy web address for you. Now, this sets me up with the main page. There are lots of different designs you could do here. You can scroll through these and find one that you like. But there's lots of different ones you could use for your purposes, okay? I might do, ooh, that one's kind of pretty. Cool. All right, so I'm going to do that one. Down here you can see I have a home page. I'm going to add some pages to this by doing new page here. New page, I'm going to call this one Literature Performance. Okay? I'm going to click on Save. Then I'm going to click on Pages again. I'm going to do a new page. I'm going to have this one called Community Exploration. Okay, save. Go to Pages again, do a new page, and do Web Quest. All right, click on Save. Now, just as I showed before, you can put whatever pages you want here, but those are the pages that at minimum your site needs to include. I'm going to actually show you now how to search for images that you have permission to use by using the web address search.creativecommons.org. Creativecommons.org I can explain to you on another time, or you can look and learn more about it. Here, if you click on Google Image, this basically will allow you to search within the millions and millions of images in Google that you have the right to reproduce. So I'm going to put Georgia O'Keeffe. Okay? And then here are 60 different images for Georgia O'Keeffe that I have the right to use and reproduce. Some of them are Georgia O'Keeffe paintings, some of them are not, some of them are photographs. So I'm going to actually click here. I'm going to see the full-size image. I'm going to right-click on it. I'm going to save image as. I'm going to put a folder on my desktop called Georgia O'Keeffe, GOC. I'm going to save it in there. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to see what other images I could use here. This beautiful purple one, that's nice. All right, I'm going to right-click, save image as, that same folder. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to see what other images I might use. Maybe this one, that's a pretty iconic Georgia O'Keeffe image. I'm going to save that image as, let's see, skull.jpg. All right, so now I'm going to go through here and say, let's see, Through Georgia's Eyes. That's the name of the book, let's see, that I am using for this, but it looks like I may need to go through Amazon and find the picture of the book here. Through Georgia's Eyes. All right, here's Through Georgia's Eyes. I'm going to click to open. There's a picture of it. All right, I'm going to click here. I wonder if I can do this in here. I probably can't. Let's see. I'm going to do Through Georgia's Eyes. All right, I'm going to go to Images. I'm going to click here. I'm going to see full size image, right click, save image as, through Georgia's eyes. Okay, I'm going to close this and close this page. I'm going to go back here. Here I am in my page. I can actually upload a different header image. I'm going to put in that, where is it? This one, I think. Let's see. Nope, that's the picture. I'm going to do a different picture. Upload. I want this one, which is the flowers. All right, Georgia O'Keeffe. All right, here is my Georgia O'Keeffe header. You can actually change to a different design, maybe say this one. All right, that's going to have a different image there, or this one. You can change around all of these different images, okay? So then all you do to put pieces on this page are to add a paragraph of the picture, a paragraph with the title. You can click here on multimedia to add any one of a number of things. I encourage you to experiment with these things. As I go back to these elements, however, I'm going to go to my literature performance, click here to be on this page. Now I'm adapting this page. I'm going to pull down this paragraph with the picture, and then I can click here and say, Through Georgia's Eyes by Rachel Rodriguez. And then I can click here to upload my sample image. And then here I can click and edit this paragraph by saying, here's my introduction to my literature performance, perhaps, oh my goodness, my spelling is terrible here. Performance, perhaps including the summary of the book. Okay, there I have. I'm going to click outside to see what that looks like. I can also click down here and say I'm going to drag down this file, and let's say that this file is my literature performance. I can click on this file, and it's going to prompt me to upload a new file. Let's say I'll go to a random file that I have here. Let's see, Spring 2010, ED352. Here's our literature performance sign up. I'm just uploading this document. Now you can download this file here. So your entire literature performance can then be downloaded here. Once you have kind of a description of your whole theme, you could go through here, go to Basic, and maybe drag down a piece here. Let's see, I'm going to add, where's my Georgia O'Keeffe folder? Here it is. And here's the Georgia O'Keeffe picture. All right. Then I could say, Seeing the World in a Tiny Flower. Okay, let's say that that's the name of my unit. I can click here to add whatever I want. Click outside here. None of this will be visible to the outside world until you click on the Publish button up here. But once you do, then that URL that you described, that you decided at the beginning of setting up your Weebly performance, is right there. So now you try.